Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a NOKIA G21 and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So basically we've got two different ways to check those numbers, and the first one requires a secret code and the second is using the settings, and of course I'll show you both. So let's begin with maybe with a secret code. So let's enter the dialer because this is the place where we can enter the code. Tap on the keypad and the code is *##06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. So let me tap on OK and let me show you another way to check those numbers. It will be quite useful if for some reason the secret code won't work. So we have to enter the settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Phone and scroll down a little bit. As you can see right here we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots, and if you'd like to check the serial number you have to enter model and hardware. And as you can see, the serial number should appear on the second position. So actually this is it. This is how to check IMEI and serial number using two different ways in your NOKIA G21. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave a thumbs up.